Hello and welcome to Mashable's AirFryDay, where we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. I am culture reporter Tim Marson, and this week we are air frying homemade pizza rolls. Now, if you want to follow along at home, simply click on the icons throughout the video to shop the products that we use. Now, this recipe is a really simple one that comes from TikTok. We're gonna base it off of a recipe from Ari Monica, and it's meant to be cheap and easy, kind of your perfect like college kid meal, or anybody who just wants to make a quick little snack at home. Now what we have here is we have some wonton wrappers, which I find are really great for making these sorts of snacks, and you can get a big pack of them for relatively cheap in your freezer section at the grocery store. We've got just your regular jarred pasta sauce, like really nothing fancy. And we got some mozzarella cheese and some pepperoni. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna see these edges here. We're gonna put water down on them because later we're gonna fold it over and seal our pizza rolls. So I'm just gonna use a finger here, and really all you're gonna do is just paint the edges with your finger using water. That's all you gotta do. Really easy. The water is gonna help it seal later. Repeat that process for as many wontons as you wanna make. Now we're just gonna build a little pizza. We're gonna take some sauce up each one, right down the middle, like so. It's gonna spread out a little bit in the cooking process, so you don't need too much, and you wanna be able to seal them good. Cheese, this is just pre-shredded mozzarella cheese. We're making a cheap eat, nothing fancy. You don't need to go get like some Gouda and shred it at home. Just trying to keep it simple. Ooh, that's gonna be a tough one to seal. All right. That's all set, and then we're just gonna put a couple pepperonis on here. Now, the video from Ari Monica on TikTok had those little pepperoni cups, which are the ideal pepperoni for this situation, and really for any kind of pepperoni usage. But all I could find was your typical sort of mid-sized pepperoni, so we might only be able to fit like one or two in each one. Now what I'm gonna do is show you on this one here. Let's see if this guy will work. All you're gonna do is fold the one side over, connect it and form a little triangle, and give it a little crimpy. And you notice how I said I put too much cheese in this. It's coming back to haunt me. So we're gonna pinch, pinch, pinch. And then hopefully at the end of that process, you have something resembling a little wonton pizza pocket deal, like so. Now, is that pretty? No, it's not. Will it hold together? Who knows? Let's hope for the best. I'm gonna repeat the process for the rest of these and then get them in the air fryer. I'm gonna just tell you, don't overfill. Don't make the mistake I made. 9 minutes, 400 degrees, and we're gonna put some tin foil down. Now, normally this isn't my favorite thing because it blocks the airflow of the air fryer, but these are really poorly put together wontons, so hopefully if there's any mess, at least I won't have to clean it up with a sponge. So this time, I'm very thankful. Gonna put that down. We're gonna give it a little spray. We're gonna get those in, 400 degrees, 9 minutes, really simple. Okay, so our pizza roll-ups, wonton thingies have been cooking for 9 minutes. I did flip them halfway through just to get both sides evenly because we did have tin foil down, which means the air is not circulating as well as it could be. So you want to get both sides well cooked. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I didn't do the best sealing job on these things, but you know what? I did okay. If you look at them, if you take a look at this one here, it's not bad. All right, so I've given the pizza rolls a second to rest, but I feel like burning your mouth on a pizza roll is part of the pizza roll experience, so let's just get after it. It has no business being that good. That's tasty. I mean, it's a crispy wonton with cheese and pizza sauce and pepperoni. That's good. I gotta say, cheap college eats is kind of what this was sold at. sold as on TikTok, and I can see it. This is pretty good. I could eat about 15 of these at 1 a.m. Well,